So here we're unboxing the Aiper Surfer S1. As you can see, there's a box just there. Now, start with, it's quite light as well, which is what I really like with the pool cleaner. This is a surface skimmer. It's going to be skimming across the top of the pool, collecting debris. As you can see, so there's some of the key features which we're talking about shortly. One of the things, guys, that stands out is the solar and DC charging, which you guys are going to love. So there's a box here. Again, great packaging by Aiper, just like the Scuba S1 Pro, which we did a review on. There's an instruction booklet, a bit more about the warranty and the warranty guide there as well. Again, lovely packaging. Everything's really easy to understand and work through. And as you can see, we've undone that, and it comes with basically the instruction guide, the service booklet, and all the information you need. But don't have to worry about that, guys. We're going to be showing you how to set it up. And if you want to see how to set it up, we've got a full review where we'll go through this in more information. But Aiper does have a very good product support as well if you need it. So we're going to take the pool cleaner out of the box and have a look at what comes in it. So lift that out and pop it out. Now, again, there's a packaging, so it's well protected when it's been in the box. So take that out. Again, it's a lot lighter than the Aiper Surfer S1, which we did a review on, which is great. And there you can see it now. It's got like a catamaran kind of design as well, which means it can skim and float across the pool, which I like. A lot like the ferry cats that we have here in Brisbane City, the skim across the water. There you can see it's just there. Now, you can open up that basket there to get it. But that's a solar panel where the charge is going to come into it. So there's the, so start by looking at it. So there's the front where it has the sensors. So it uses different sensors to be able to map the pool and see exactly where it's going at any stage. And there you go. You can open that up and you get the basket out. So there's the 5 litre basket, and it does up to 200 microns in the filter. So it's very effective for doing it. Again, we're showing a full review how to do that. There's fine mesh filter to soak up all the stuff coming through. And now that's a UV resistant body as well. It's sitting in there. So it's got, as I said, solar charging as well. So in Queensland, we have lots of sun. It's really good to be able to charge it through using that solar panel at the front there. And if we turn it around, there is the 2 fans. So these are the motors that push it around the pool. And there's also the charging port as well. Now, it uses ultrasonic detection to be able to turn where it's going and what it's actually doing. And again, it's got bumpers around the side too, just in case, I don't know, if you want to drive it into the wall or something, it's going to be very well protected. And there's a DC charger it's got as well. Now, it takes 12 hours battery life. It's got a 4,000 milliampere battery and 2.5 hours charging time to charge it completely. Now, it does have the brushless propeller and brushless motors as well. So it's important, so it means nothing gets stuck. And again, there's the bumpers that show it. Now, there's the sensors at the front, again, ultrasonic sensors. And again, it's got the wheels on the side there. So stops it from, if it bumps into walls or anything, it's not going to get damaged. And this is also good for any pool size and any pool material. And that's where you can see the debris in there as well, and the solar panel at the top. And again, there's those brushless motors, which we spoke about earlier as well. You get good energy efficiency from these motors. This also detects the water temperature as well. It's got an anti-grounding design as well, which means it won't get caught on like steps or anything like that. And we've also got the Aiper app, which you can use to do it. Again, there's the basket. Good thing with a basket of this size is you can get lots of material in there. So say you've got a tree above your pool and the leaves are blowing in, the basket's going to pick it all up, which is really good. So yeah, very good. And I've really enjoyed reviewing this. And I'm just going to show you guys now. So there's the Aiper Surfer S1. And we're going to be putting it into the pool. And we're at the Gold Coast here in Australia. So look at that shortly.